Oh! Let's say avoid Luke, because Luke is off saving the galaxy. Snog Han. Oh my god, that's so weird. That's so weird. I marry Leia, because she's cool.
LEIA, avoid. Luke, avoid. Just avoid all of them. They get themselves into too much trouble. You want to just hang out with the good guys, like Rey.
I would snog all of them. But since I have to choose, I would say snog Han Solo, marry Luke Skywalker, and avoid Leia.
Okay, so basically I'm going to marry Han Solo. I'm definitely going to at least snog Mark Hamill. Sorry, Luke Skywalker. Oops. I would marry Carrie Fisher as well. Can I do a joint? Oh God, I don't know, it's really tough. What about marrying, can you get married to 3 people? In this situation? Yeah, get married to all of them. Okay, marry Yoda. Snog Chewbacca. Avoid Jabba the Hutt.
Yoda, marry. Wisdom, always good. Jabba the Hut, avoid. And Chewie, snog. Hip. Snog.
Definitely snog Chewbacca, marry Yoda, and avoid Jabba the Hutt. Avoid Jabba. Snog, marry. Marry Chewbacca. Snog Yoda.
I think Jar Jar Binks is definitely still alive.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Luke. You don't need to see his identification.